Welcome to another episode of Slave Sermons.
The Lord. One of the things I find that people do a lot is that they listen to the news first thing in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what they do is they allow the enemy to sow into their heart first thing in the morning and weigh them down.
That's great.
You know, so I think we should read the Bible and read something inspirational first thing in the morning.
Numbers 21 and 31. All the Midianite men, women, and children were brutally killed. Deuteronomy 2 and 33. Israelites killed all the people of Sihon. Judges 3 and 29. Israelites killed 10,000 Moabites. 1 Samuel 6:19. Over 50,000 were killed just for looking into the Ark of the Covenant. Deuteronomy 3:3-6. Over 60,000 men, women, and children were killed in 60 cities. Isaiah 37 and 36. 185,000 people were killed while they were sleeping. Judges 6-8, 12,000 Midianites were murdered to death. Tune in next time for another episode of Slave Sermons.